Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me and Wyatt, who is here for another video. Wyatt, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yeah? So Wyatt's already lounging out. We are outside, as you can see, but my neighbors have decided to come out too, so you might hear some mowing and it could get loud at times, but welcome to the outdoors. I'll do my best here, but I thought it'd be nice to do this video outside for a change of scenery. So I'm super excited because I have an unbagging for you today. My Bolzano handbag subscription came in and I can't wait to dig into this. I'm super excited. Leilani, who does the subscription service, does an awesome job. And this is a new combo subscription package for $43.95 called her, let's see, let's make sure I got it right. It is the Lux Handbag, Accessories, and Beauty Monthly Subscription. So this is the first time I'm getting to see it, and I can't wait to check it out. So let's dig in and see what this looks like. Bolzano has many different options for subscriptions that you can check out. So she does have you can do accessories only, you can do the purse and accessories together, you can do purse companions. So the purse companions, I believe, comes with beauty products as well. Or you can do, I think, just the purse subscription. And they also had a Mother's Day special, which was pretty awesome as well, which I did in my last Bolzano video. So let's check this out. Check out my bag. How awesome is this? Make sure I got everything out of here. So I always love the presentation of the packaging. So she always has them in these very nice little dust bags. It always comes with whatever is going on for the month and always is tied with the pretty little Bolzano ribbon. So let's open this up and check it out. And let's see what's going on this month. Alright, so right off the bat, I love how she has "You Deserve to Be Spoiled." Don't we all, right? And let's see, it says, free cleansing brush, purchase the Biotherm Aquasource Moisturizing Gel for $34 and receive a combined $75 value with the cleansing brush. So this is a special, I guess, she has going on. And on top of that, there's a special $150 offer, yours free, special free men's watch offer. So you can receive a free men's watch valued at $150 when you prepay for 3 months or more of your Lux or handbags and accessories subscriptions. If you place a 3-month or more subscription in your cart, type in free men's watch in the search box and add it to your cart. So if you're interested in getting a free men's watch, this is an offer that is going on right now. However, I also have an offer for you. If you use Little Box Gift, by putting Little Box Gift in the search bar, you can also get a free gift in your cart. So I'm not sure what that one will give you, but that could give you a different free gift as well. So you might want to try one or the other if you're not interested in getting this free gift. If you put Little Box Gift in the search bar and add that to your cart, you'll probably get another free gift as well. I'll put that information down below for you. Alright, so let's check out my bag. Check this out. How pretty is this? So, all of their bags come, it's either vegan leather or vinyl. This looks to me to probably be, this feels like leather, but it could be a vegan leather, but this feels like a leather. So this is very nice in a black. The hardware is in silver, so it has this nice little zip pocket back here. Has the grommets in silver here. I love the shorter strap because that is generally how I carry things. But I do believe it has a longer strap inside as well. We'll check and see. Maybe not. Maybe not. But this would be how I would carry it anyway. I don't think I've ever used a longer strap. Has the little snap here on the inside, so it snaps here. And I've got goodies inside. So let's first take out the bubble packaging, which I usually keep because I like to keep my bags in form when I store them, so I will keep that. And Let's check out, I have all kinds of stuff in here because, as I said, this comes with the Lux Package, comes with the purse companions, the handbag, and the accessories. So there's all kinds of stuff in here we're going to unwrap, but let's look at the purse first. Okay. It does come with a longer strap. That's what I thought. It does have a zipper compartment here in the middle, which is as deep as the purse, so it does go the whole way down. So that way it breaks the purse up into 3 different sections. I have a zipper pocket on the inside here. I hope you guys can see this with the lighting being outside. But it does have a deep zipper pocket here on one side, and then the 2 regular pockets here on the other side. So there's 2. So for like your phone, lipstick, I tend to throw in there the things you want to get at really quickly. I want to take off this. Off so I can show you the strap, hopefully. Okay, so it is a nice thick enough strap that it shouldn't hurt your shoulder when you carry it. So I like it when it's not too thick that it wants to slide off, but not too thin that it actually puts a crease on your shoulder when you try to carry it when you weigh it down, because I tend to weigh down my bags. If it's bigger, I will fill it up. So I like to carry a smaller bag every day, or a bag that is probably no bigger than this size, so I don't put too much in it. But this would be perfect because it would carry my essentials, plus my iPad would fit in here for a longer day. Has the nice Bolzano logo right here on the front, if you guys can see that. And I just love this zipper pocket in the front too. I would probably throw my phone in the front pocket here so I can grab it easily. Alright, so I like this. This is a nice gray basic purse. I also like that it is flat on the bottom and would just easily sit on the floor beside you, in your car, wherever you want to set it down, on your desk. Perfect. I'm loving that. Alright, so let's check out everything else. So you get accessories as well as the purse companions. Alright, so let's check out the accessories. Can't wait. Alright, so I have this box I'm going to dig into next. And yes, that is a tractor you hear. I'm sorry. I'm hoping it doesn't come up too bad on the camera. So, look at this. This is a cute little credit card holder. Let's see what this says. Has a cute little Bolzano card right inside here, which I'll read to in just a minute. But this is a nice little folio. Hold your most important credit cards. You could stick some bills in here, whatever you needed to get your most important information that you want to carry. Has the Bolzano emblem here, black with the trim. This fits really nicely into your bag. I like that. That's super cute. So it says, Bolzano embodies luxury and sophistication for the modern individual. Experience the chic style of our handmade accessories. We've taken an essential part of one's attire and designed it to complement your every look. The perfect fit, just the right number of compartments, keep it all together, excellent construction, excellent fabrics. Invoke Bolzano. I like this. This is nice. So both sides, you can tuck both sides open, put your most important things that you need to carry with you, and I like how it folds nice and easy closed, and you can tuck it right inside your purse. Alright, what else? We have more stuff here. Check this out. Aw. This is so awesome. I have to go get Zena. We're going to have to pause. Check this out. So my next accessories that I got, thank you Leilani, I love this, is for the dog. Is this not awesome? Little bow collar. I love this little crystal trim here. This is a medium. Is this not adorable little collar for Wyatt or Xena? This one is a medium. I have a second one here. Is this not awesome? Thank you, thank you, thank you, Leilani. This one is in brown. So we're gonna have to hook the dogs up, right? Definitely. Wyatt's here. Zena's hiding at the moment, so we're gonna have to go get her. Are these not cute? I love these. They're both mediums. They should work good. So, so cute for the puppies. What do you guys think? Black for Wyatt, brown for Zena? That's what I'm thinking. I love the little crystals here. So, so, so cute. We're going to hook the puppies up. So we'll get this on them. We'll find Zena and I will be back in shortly. But before we do that, I have another box. So this would be my purse companions. And you get so much stuff in here. And remember, the price for this is $43.95. This is the Lux Package. And she said that they had a need to put this together because it was so popular. People were loving the combination of all of their products. And I can see why it would be popular because she does such a great job curating these subscriptions that I can see why people would be asking for them. So here's my purse companion. It comes in this nice little box with all these goodies. And they're beauty products. The first item is by L'Oreal, Revitalift Anti-Wrinkling Firming. This is face, neck, and contour cream. And this is moisturizer for smoother, firmer skin in 4 weeks. Improves elasticity on neck and jawline. So I can tell I've actually wanted to try this. So I'm really happy I got this in my box here. This is awesome. And this is a full size 1.7 ounce jar. Thank you. This is awesome. So this is Aura by Swarovski perfume, 0.17 full ounce. I also got two, not one, but two lip glosses here. This is called Lustrous Lip Gloss by Desi, D-E-S-I. And this first one, let's see what color this is. I'll show it to you. So this looks more like a neutral. I swear, the second I came out here to do this video, my neighbor came out to mow his lawn. Isn't that how life works? So this is color 12. I do not see an actual name on it. It doesn't give a name. This one is probably a little bit more my speed. This one is color 5. Again, I don't have an actual name for the color, but you can tell this one's a little bit more pink. I don't even know if I can open one of these quickly for you guys. We really, really, really have to try the colors on the dogs. So let me be right back. And I'll also try to open one of these up and try them on for you. Okay, so I did put my lip gloss on over top of what I had on. I don't know if you guys can really tell. It's got a nice texture to it, adds some shine, so that's nice. Zena's got her little collar on with the bow. Look how cute she looks. She looks so cute. Her hair's a little long right now. We could even do it on top in the back. And then you'd be able to see it when she walks around, huh? She's so funny. Zena likes clothes and fancy stuff. Huh. Maybe you like that. Wyatt has his on too. You can see his a little bit better. The black against his white fur, huh? Look how nice. We could do his off to the side. There goes my neighbor. Look how cute he looks. Wyatt looks dashing. Don't you look dashing? Aw, you look dashing, Wyatt. Come here, show everybody your nice collar. He's so funny. Show everybody your nice collar. Can you show them? Look how nice you look. You look so dashing, huh? Yes, you do. Oh, there you go. Now you're showing everybody. Yes, you do. Aw. So say thank you. Thank you to Leilani for hooking you up, right? Yes, so thank you, Leilani, for hooking us up with this awesome subscription. This is awesome. So I love collaborating with Leilani because I do love this subscription. I think it's an awesome subscription for the value. She does such a great job curating these boxes and putting time and effort into them, and there's a lot of different options based on what you are the most interested in, right? So you can get just the purse companions if you want. You could do just the accessories if you wanted, and you can do the purses if you want. So, and the purses are quality, they're great. I've had great success with them, and the price is very reasonable. So I will put all this information down below. I will leave my code LITTLEBOXGIFT. If you put that in the search box and add it to your cart, you will get a gift if you give this subscription a try. So I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with us for a little bit today. Sorry about the noise. I really want to come outside for something different. Wasn't expecting the lawnmower. Sorry. Anyway, I would love if you consider giving us a like. I would love if you join the chaos, because there always seems to be some sort of chaos in my videos, and hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.